How to add Spotify music to Instagram story. So if you want to add some music to your story, then open up your Spotify app and here choose a song that you would like to add. So I'll be choosing this song. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So now you will have a share option on the bottom right corner. Tap on share and here you can edit this by tapping on that edit, and you can choose the color that you would like, and after that tap on done, and then here you will have a bunch of options to share. So if you want to share this to your Instagram stories, then tap on stories and then it will automatically take you to Instagram stories, and from here you can simply make it small or large, and you can add any images that you would like to add. You can also share this story to your Facebook if you have connected your Facebook to Instagram, but if you have not connected, then you cannot share it. So tap on the arrow on the bottom right corner and then tap on share and then tap done. That's it. Now you can go and see your story and you have this on your story. So that's it guys, that's how you add Spotify music to your Instagram story, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.